Welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Kalia. Shaggy making musical moves with British reggae group UB40. Following the release of his solo album, Wagwan, recorded artist Shaggy has announced that he will embark on a North America tour with British reggae group UB40. Starting in the latter part of August and running till the end of September, the tour, which will feature English singer and songwriter Ali Campbell and musician Astro, will also see British roots reggae band Steel Pulse opening on select dates. Earlier this week, Shaggy performed live on American morning talk show Kelly and Ryan, the latest single from the Wagwan album, a track dubbed You, which features 19-year-old Canadian singer-songwriter Alexander Stewart.
And in all honesty, I decline respectfully.
The Grammy-winning diamond-selling star also revealed the third visual from Wagwan, the track called Money Up, a collaboration with Naomi songs from their recent Grammy winner for the Best Reggae album entitled 44876, as well as their own respective greatest hits together. Come next month, the Angel singer then hits Canada for a series of performances. DJ Khaled unveils Father Facade album cover. DJ Khaled has shared the artwork for his highly anticipated 11th album, Father Facade, out tomorrow, which features Khaled alongside his son Assad in matching outfits. The album cover was shot in Ocho Rios, Jamaica by photographer Jonathan Mannion.
This is my life. I do it for Assad. Father Assad, official album cover. The 11th album is the new chapter of more success, more blessings, more loves.
Now, Khaled has not revealed any details about the project in terms of collaborations. However, rapper Cardi B teased on social media that her feature with Khaled will be released tomorrow. In addition to Cardi, late rapper Nipsey Hussle, who shot a video with Khaled before his untimely death in March, is also slated to appear on Father Facade on the track titled Higher. Earlier this week, DJ Khaled took to social media to share a letter about a special interaction he had with Nipsey Hussle, where he outlined that the rapper helped him embark on a spiritual journey. Khaled ended his message by revealing that all proceeds from Higher will go to Nipsey's two children, Imani and Cross. The late rapper died on March 31st after he was gunned down outside his Marathon clothing store in Los Angeles. It is also speculated that reggae artists will be featured, including Grammy-winning reggae singer Buju Banton and Sizzla Kalonji. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Kalia. Thanks for watching.